Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to record calls on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the dialer app on your smartphone and tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display. Then tap on settings and from here just tap on call recording. Now just scroll down and from here just enable the toggle to automatically record unknown numbers. Now just tap on always record. And once you enable this option, your smartphone will automatically record calls from unknown numbers. But if you want to automatically record all the calls on your smartphone, just tap on automatically record these numbers. And from here, just enable this toggle. And from here, just tap on always record. Now just tap on choose a contact. And from here, just choose the contacts from your smartphone to record the calls from these contacts. Just like that. And once you select these contacts, your smartphone will automatically record the calls from the contacts you have selected. And this is how you can record calls on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.